Hello everybody! As we all know that the liver is essential to the proper function of the body. It acts to purify the blood accumulated toxins, produces the digestive substance and stores the vitamins and minerals to be distributed through the body. Yet, without knowing it, you are daily exposed to many toxins that can damage your liver. Our MedicTube channel recommends you a list of foods that can help your liver transform toxins into less harmful substance. Not only can these foods make you feel better, they may also help the liver perform its functions and also help to regenerate its cells easily. Let's together watch and learn 13 natural food that cleans our liver. Number 1. Avocados. The avocado is rich in glutamine. This substance is present throughout the body. Its function is to protect cells against oxidation and to detoxify your body from heavy metals. Number 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes stimulate the production of liver and digestive enzymes as well as liver activity. Number 3. Carrots. Carrots are also rich in glutamine. Eating carrots, which is rich in flavonoids and beta-carotene, helps the liver to regenerate and perform its purification role. Number 4. Asparagus. Diuretic function of asparagus helps the cleansing process by activating the functions of the liver and kidneys that eliminates the toxins. Number 5. Green leafy vegetables. Green vegetables are extremely rich in chlorophyll. This stimulative pigment is capable of absorbing toxins from the environment and purifying blood from heavy metals. Number 6. Broccoli. Eating broccoli increases the production of glucosinolate enzymes in the body, helping to eliminate carcinogens and other toxins. Number 7. Apples. Apples rich in pectin facilitate the process of cleansing the liver. Apple juice organic is also recommended for liver detoxification. Number 8. Dandelion root. Dandelion root herbs help the liver to break down the fat, to produce amino acids by writing it off the toxins. Number 9. Green tea. Green tea is also supply of antioxidants such as catechins, an important compound for liver function. Indeed, its molecules are powerful antioxidants that help prevent certain inflammatory diseases. Number 10. Rosemary infusion. Rosemary infusion allows it to stimulate the production of bile, which helps in digestion and limits liver problems. Recipe idea: infuse 2 grams of rosemary in 15 cl of boiling water for 10 minutes and consume 1-2 cups per day. Number 11. Citrus. Citrus fruits are another source of glutamine rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. They stimulate the production of liver and bile detoxification enzymes and improve the process of cleansing the liver. The family includes grapefruit and lemon. A citrus cure is recommended to help with digestion, decomposition of fat and activate the diuretic function. Number 12. Curcuma. Curcuma participates in detoxification of the liver by stimulating the production of bile and releasing the liver ducts. It also acts on detection of allergies present in certain foods that we consume. Our infusion advice: put 2 teaspoons of turmeric root in a bowl, boil for 3 minutes, then infuse 10 minutes. It is recommended that you consume 2-3 bowls to enjoy its benefits. Number 13. Garlic. Garlic plays a protective role in detoxification of the liver. It is composed of sulfur, which activates the liver enzymes, contributing to the elimination of toxins in the body. Garlic has high amounts of natural ingredients like allicin and selenium that helps cleanse the liver. Do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified for new videos. Like, comment and share with your family and friends informative video, tips and remedies we are publishing. We wish you and your family healthy life. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, live long.